The new BYD Seal 6 arrives with a strong focus on safety, and the latest crash test results show it is more than just another plug-in hybrid sedan. One of the most impressive aspects is how stable the structure remains during impact testing. In the frontal offset test at 50 kilometers per hour, the passenger compartment held its shape well, which is always a key sign of solid engineering. Protection for the driver was rated good in most areas, although the chest and lower legs were slightly lower at adequate. Still, the overall result shows a well-balanced level of protection for both front occupants. The numbers back this up clearly. Adult occupant protection scored 92%, which is a strong result in this segment. Even more impressive is how consistent the vehicle performs across different crash scenarios. Full-width frontal and side impact tests delivered maximum points, showing that the Seal 6 does not just excel in one specific situation, but across a wide range of real-world crash conditions. For families, the child safety results are equally reassuring. The Seal 6 achieved a 90% score in child occupant protection, with maximum points in both frontal and side dynamic tests. The inclusion of ISOFIX anchor points, top tether mounts, and a child presence detection system shows that BYD is thinking beyond just crash performance. It is about preventing accidents and keeping children safe in everyday use. Where things get even more interesting is in the technology side. The vehicle includes a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including autonomous emergency braking that can detect cars, pedestrians, cyclists, and even motorcycles. In most forward scenarios, the system performs well, avoiding or reducing collisions effectively. However, reverse emergency braking performance was rated marginal, which is one of the few areas where improvement is still needed. Vulnerable road user protection scored 84%, highlighting strong performance when it comes to protecting pedestrians and cyclists. Safety Assist also reached 84%, thanks to features like lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and a driver monitoring system that can detect fatigue or distraction. Overall, the BYD Seal 6 stands out as a well-rounded and safety-focused vehicle.